Welcome to another episode by IELTSDoctor.com. Our video today is titled, How to Write an Introduction for IELTS Writing Task 2, Part 1. I'm Jay, and I'm going to show you how to write an attention-grabbing introduction. All good introductions contain an attention grabber. So, what's an attention grabber? The attention grabber is also known as the hook. Yeah. Just think of it as the fish hook used in fishing. Another component that an introduction should have is the thesis statement. What's a thesis statement? It's the main idea of your essay. Apart from this, we need to look at the task too. Task? It's basically another word for the essay question. Let's take a look at one of the many different question types. Discuss both views, essay. To put your curiosity at ease, we are going to look at the IELTS writing task now. Some people think that the government should provide free university education, while others believe that individuals should pay for their university education. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You have around 20 seconds to analyze this. Now, ask yourself this question. What's the task about? It's about education. To be precise, it's about the differences between two things: free education and paid education. So, what do most students do? They paraphrase and give their thesis statement. Action speaks louder than words. We will now look at an example. People have different views as to whether the government should provide free university education or individuals should pay for their university education. While some believe that the government should provide free university education, I believe that individuals should pay for their university education. Again, you have 20 seconds to think about this. There is something wrong with this introduction. You must be wondering, what is wrong with this introduction? It is used by too many test takers, and there's no proper hook. Let's dive deeper into the thesis statement. Some may say that it looks alright, but when you put it next to the hook, it's a repetition of information. More precisely, for the hook, it's written, people have different opinions. Regarding the thesis statement, aside from the writer's opinion, it conveys the same meaning as the hook. There is a repetition of information, affecting the task response and coherence score. Some might say that they were expanding the hook. Firstly, you only expand your own ideas. Secondly, the idea of people having different views about who should pay for education didn't come from you. It is given in the task. Hence, why are you expanding someone else's idea? Therefore, this is a Band 6 introduction. And you wouldn't get a high score in IELTS Writing Task 2 by using this generic statement. In the past, such a statement might be fine. Now, however, it's been used by too many test takers. We've come to the end of this video. We hope you find the information in this video useful. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on our next video. If you're taking the IELTS test soon, we wish you good luck.